gonna bali ko.
Yeah. You're gonna bali sa isa.
Yeah. I want it back for Ellie.
Dahil wag ka didikit, nakaputi ka.
Nakakabantag ako sinasabi mo.
Ito magaling, yan, magaling. Pwedeng NBA yan.
Oh, she's getting pretty far.
Go towards your left.
She's gonna make it. Nice!
Yan, nice, nice.
Okay, you listen for instructions from the
I
lady.
know what to do.
Yeah, so grip the ceiling with your left hand. With your left, no.
The other
no,
one,
you gotta
the
keep
other
it up
one.
in front of you. There you go.
And the other one.
Lean back. Alright,
Oh,
now grip
nandito
that
eh.
big green rock with your right hand. Okay, now you're gonna bring your right foot up.
Ayun, Bin.
And then bring your left foot up as high as you
Ay.
can. Bring your left foot up to the other side now. No, yeah, there you go. Bring it up as high as you can, put it on a rock.
On the
Put your
rock.
left foot on a rock. Yeah, put your left foot on the rock and pull yourself up.
On the rock.
Put it on the one that's
Ay,
a little bit
mali.
lower.
Halihan natin yung babali pa mo niya.
Yung low, yung nasa baba.
On the middle one. On the middle one.
And the
Middle.
Yung mataas ng konti dyan. Yan.
Now, two hands, pull yourself up. Okay, now bring your left hand up and grip one of those blue rocks.
Yan.
One, two.
Yes.
There you go. Another hand up.
Yes.
Can
Yay!
you reach that green rock with two hands?
Yes, you can.
Can you bring me up for that? 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
There you go. You got it.
Yay!
Two arms pull up, nice and strong. A little bit more. Wait, the first step? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now put your right foot on that big green rock.
Right foot.
Right foot. On the rock. Yung green rock.
And the green rat, yeah.
Yeah.
Yay!
Now push up.
Push up.
Si camera natin! Love you!
Yan. Don't let go of the rock. Yan.
Sexy ni ate, oh.
Okay, kung di na. If she's not helping your sister up, she won't be able to climb.
Tapak sa bato,
Tapak sa bato yung kaliwa.
Tapak mo sa bato!
Kaya ka nawawala ng pwersa eh.
Yan.
Yan, yan.
Good, nice. One more.
Stand up!
Hindi na pasano bumagsak.
Isa-isa.
Ayan na siya! Yay!
Sana madalim.
Baka makarating ka sa tuktok na.
Nakakuha ko,
Lapos, baka ikaw mapaya.
So, pagbuti ko,
Panay babae yan,
Pagbuti
ha?
kita ng
Okay, hold on to the rope with two hands in
pesos.
front of you. Hold on to the rope with two hands in front of you and take your feet off the rock. And push out with 2 feet.
Ligaya, Kirot. Go, go. Nice.
Woo!